lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing a mobile phone telescope. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is the universal HD 8x zoom optical lens. The lens are covered with a cap for protection. Here's the clip. Lastly, a cleaning cloth. Let's just remove the lens cap so we can start cleaning the lens. Now let's attach the clip. This clip-on lens is actually very easy to use and it's pretty straightforward. It's ready to use, so let's go ahead and test it. I'm using an iPhone 6 Plus and this is how it looks like without the lens. And this is when I try to zoom in using the mobile phone telescope. And that's it for today's unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!